Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 not loading on Xbox Game Pass PC. One of the most common reasons this problem happens is because of damaged or missing game files. To fix this, open Windows Settings and go to Apps. Find Forza Horizon 6 in the installed apps list. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. First, click Repair and wait for the process to finish. After that, click Reset. This will refresh the game's files and settings. Next, do the same thing for the Xbox app. Open its Advanced Options page, click Repair, and then click Reset. Since Xbox Game Pass games depend on the Xbox app, fixing both can often solve loading issues. Another thing that can prevent the game from starting is background overlay or monitoring software. Before launching the game, completely close programs such as MSI Afterburner, RivaTuner Statistics Server, Overwolf, and Discord Overlay. These applications can sometimes interfere with the game and stop it from loading correctly. You should also check your date and time settings. Open Windows Settings, go to Time and Language, and select Date and Time. Make sure both the time and time zone are set automatically. Incorrect date and time settings can cause authentication problems with Xbox services and prevent the game from loading. After completing these steps, restart your computer and try launching Forza Horizon 6 again. Thanks for watching.